Hi there, and welcome to the Byte Size channel. Today, I'll be giving you an introduction to the average interpolation op. Please pause the video and just make what you see here on your screen. Okay, great. Let's get started. The average interpolation op is there to smooth out big jumps in values. So a picture's worth 1,000 words, so let's just see this in action. So first of all, I'm going to make a timer 2. I'm then going to plug this into a floor op, so I only get whole integer numbers. Now I'm going to plug this into the random numbers op. And with the random numbers op, I'm going to say minimum of -2, maximum of 2. And as you can see now, I get these big jumps in numbers. If I now plug this into position X, you'll see that our cube jumps around. There's no smoothing or linear interpolation in between these jumps in values. So if I click in between, and I now type in average interpolation and press enter, we're going to see something really cool take place. So it expects a trigger. So we grab this from main loop. And as you can now see, the shape doesn't jump in such a linear fashion. It kind of smooths. So if we now click on the average interpolation op, we have here a divisor. So the higher you put this, the smoother the changes. So as you can see, this can give some really cool effects, and it really helps with taming wild values which jump around. So let's go a little bit further with this. So I could now get my random numbers, make another one, floor. We're going to plug this into here, this into here, and now we're going to say minimum 0 to 360. Normally this would produce some pretty big jumps. So I'm going to plug it into rotate 360 degrees. So as you can see, it's just jumping around. So once again, let's plug an average interpolation in between. Let's give it a trigger from main loop. And now if I'm going to put this, say, on 64, as you can see, we've got a very smooth, organic movement that's coming back from the shape. If we use timer 2, and we plug this into a higher speed, we're going to get more jumps. If we put this lower, we're going to get less jumps. So average interpolation is a really cool op to just help you smooth out big jumps in values. Okay, I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you've got any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments or on our forums. Thanks for your time. Bye.